Phoebe Stew Buddies, it's Monday. Let's get after it. Today, we have a busy day. Driving truck, we're gonna go all over the world today. We have to take a sheepy, I'm not sure if it's a ewe or what it is, down to Lancaster, down to a farmer. One of the local guys here sold it to somebody down there. So I'm gonna take it down to deliver it all the way down Lancaster County. Not sure where I'm going yet, but so far we have to haul milk this morning, get our milk hauled, go home and do our chores quick because it was too early to feed pigs and the goats this morning, but ugh, 320 miles today. My butt hurts and my legs are stiff. I gotta get out of the truck. Tomorrow we can work around the farm. That'll be a good day. The wonderful thing is all this beautiful, gorgeous weather we're getting is making things green. Oh, I can't wait for spring. Come here. Come here, Bess. Come on. Good cow. Just leave her out. She needs to get some exercise. Good Bessie. Are you hungry, Bess? Careful. Fella, you don't have to push. You're so cute, T-Bone. Are you so hungry? Are you so hungry, T-Bone? Look at your cute little face. Yeah. Come here, goat. Come here, goat. Come here, goat. You don't love me today, Oakley? You're a jerk. Come here, goat. Hey, come here.